Hi, I'm Margaret. I'm a speech pathologist, and I'm going to show you how to make the R sound. I recommended in previous videos to stretch your tongue 5 times a day for 2 minutes for at least 2 weeks. Okay, once you've done that, right before you say an R word, I want you to stretch your tongue. Okay? And now I've got a new bag of long cotton-tipped applicators, and they are about 6 inches in length.
Oh, God.
We're going to touch right here on the mid-molars, the sides of our tongue, right here. 3 things that are important for R.
What?
Height. You would say height, width, tension. So it's got to be high, it's got to be wide, and it's got to have a lot of tension. And you can take 2 of these Q-tip, cotton tip applicators. You can even put your fist here and push your tongue up. And that is a word you can practice. One thing I think is very important to say when learning the R sound are blends. So let's start in alphabetical order with a C blend or B blend. So we're going to do BR, as in brook, like a babbling brook, water going down a stream. Ugh. Notice how I lengthened the vowel and the R. Let's do the CR. Let's do cry. Cry. Okay? Same thing with D. We're going to say dry. I. And you go through the whole alphabet that has a consonant plus R, and then you can practice your blends in that manner.